everyone. I'm delighted to be here with you today exploring a fascinating concept that can revolutionize your digital marketing strategy. It's all about how to use micro moments in your digital marketing strategy. Micro moments are those brief but incredibly vital instances when individuals turn to their devices to seek answers, make decisions, or satisfy their curiosity. In today's fast paced digital landscape, these micro moments are the building blocks of consumer behavior. To effectively harness these micro moments, you need to be present when your audience needs you the most. Think of it as being the helpful friend who's always there with valuable advice. Start by anticipating your audience's questions and needs. Craft content that's not only informative but also easily digestible in a short span. Your aim is to make it effortless for them to engage with your brand during these critical moments. For example, if someone's searching for best running shoes, you want to be the one offering quick, insightful guidance or recommendations. This not only assists them but also positions your brand as a trusted source. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to leverage micro moments and elevate your digital marketing strategy. In conclusion, always remember that micro moments are golden opportunities to connect with your audience. It's about being there, providing genuine assistance, and capturing their attention swiftly when it counts. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use micro moments in your digital marketing strategy. See you on my next video.